Hello, welcome to WireMock Cloud Academy. We may want to secure our mock APIs to prevent their use from unauthorized consumers. WireMock Cloud offers 3 ways to do this: basic authentication, customizable header matching, and OpenID Connect, also known as OIDC. Today, we will demonstrate configuring and testing a WireMock Cloud API using OIDC. We'll be using Okta as our OIDC identity provider. In Okta, we'll need to take note of our client ID, our client secret, as well as our OIDC domain found here in Okta. Using this information, we can come over to our mock API. We'll be using this WireMock Cloud Academy mock API endpoint. Come into Settings, scroll down to our mock API security section, specify OpenID Connect. Now we'll specify what we want our authentication header to be. I'll choose authorization for our demonstration. Then I need to supply our issuer URL. This will be our OIDC domain that we took from Okta, HTTPS, and then our domain. And then optionally, I can specify an audience. For our demonstration, I'll specify the client ID that we took from Okta. Once this is saved, I can come back over into our stubs and use the test requester to try and hit the get thing 1 endpoint. As you'll see, we have a 401 unauthorized. Let's go ahead and generate a valid session and grab a JWT token. We'll use OpenID Connect Playground. I've specified our discovery document URL using our OIDC domain, as well as this suffix. Using the use discovery document, the authorization token endpoint, and token keys endpoint have been populated automatically. I've also supplied our OIDC client ID and the OIDC client secret that we grabbed from Okta earlier. I can save this and then start our session. We'll connect to the server. We'll exchange code from the token. Then we can hit our next. And here we can grab our JWT token. Once we have that, we'll come back into WireMock Cloud and now specify the authorization header as we configured earlier in the security section, as well as the token we just grabbed from the playground. Now upon hitting send, we can see that our request is serviced by WireMock Cloud successfully, protected by OIDC. As you've just seen, WireMock Cloud Mock APIs can easily be protected using industry-standard OpenID Connect identity providers. Try it yourself today with a free forever account at wiremock.io.